Hello and good morning students. I am Shruti Sharma, your biology educator. Today I will tell you how to make diagram of animal cell. Animal cell is oval shape structure or circular round structure. So I am making ball like structure or oval round structure and outer covering of animal cell. Now in the center of the cell, one ball-like structure is present. This is known as nucleus, and thread-like structure present in the nucleus is known as chromosomes. Outside the nucleus, some flattened sac-like structure is present that is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Some endoplasmic reticulum surface is rough due to the presence of ribosomes. That's why these are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the surface is smooth is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is centriole. It is present next to the nucleus. During cell division it helps. Now I am making banana-like structure, and this ball-like structure is known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. These numerous ball-like structures are vacuoles, and another black color structures, these are lysosomes. Now one most important organelle, that is mitochondria, zigzag-like matrix is present inside it. Now this dot-like structure shows the presence of cytoplasm in the cell. Cyto means cell, plasma means liquid. It is present in the jelly-like fluid. Now these red color ball-like structure is known as ribosomes. These are non-membranous structure or organelles. Now we start labeling. Outer covering of cell is known as cell membrane. Now fluid-like structure present inside the cell is cytoplasm. Now this empty structure is vacuole. This ball-like structure is lysosome. This zigzag structure is known as mitochondria. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell. This banana-like structure is known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. This structure is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum because ribosomes are attached on it. Now this is centriole. At the time of cell division, it helps in animal cell and present only in animal cell. Now this folded structure having the smooth surface, that is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The circular ball-like structure present in the center of the cell is known as nucleus. It contains nucleoplasm. One jelly-like fluid is present inside the nucleus is nucleoplasm. One more ball-like structure present inside the nucleus is nucleolus. Outer covering of nucleus is known as nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. One more organelle is remaining. This is this red colored dots present inside the cell. These are ribosomes, and these ribosomes are non-membranous organelle. and it is also known as protein factory of the cell. Now our whole diagram has finished. Hope you will practice at home, and this is the easiest way to make diagram of animal cell fastly. In class 9, during examination, in 3 hours, you will have to finish your physics, chemistry and biology. So don't waste maximum time to draw diagrams. Diagram should be neat and clean like this, and labeling is very important. So students, hope you enjoyed this video and you understood it. So thank you very much all of you, and all the best.